Hey guys, I hope the winter months have been treating you well. If you haven't noticed already, I got a new office space in Wilsonville. This place is super cool, and not only will be an awesome place for me to work, but I can meet clients here as well, so it's gonna work out great in the future. Now it's a little bare, but my friend Melissa from Lovely Vision Design is gonna transform it, so it should be looking good next video. By the way, if you need some help in the design arena for your home or office, Melissa is definitely the one for you. She's not only helped me with my office space, but my personal home, and has helped multiple clients of mine with their homes. Here's her website and social media stuff if you need it. Okay, on to the housing market report for this month. Now, if any of you don't already get my emails, mailers, and want to be part of that elite group, reach out to me directly or go to any of my social media sites to sign up for that. They're the best way to stay up to date on on the market as we go into the spring season, and really just the housing market in general. Okay, again, on to the housing market report for February. The home prices decreased this month. The median sold price for Wilsonville in January was $632,000. This was down quite a bit compared to last year, and also a 13% decrease from last month. This is most likely temporary, as the market in winter is generally slower, but it's definitely something I'm going to keep watching as we go into spring. We should see prices increase as the weather improves. Now, the inventory for Wilsonville in January decreased to 21 active listings. Though this was a decrease from last year, it was a 50% increase from last month. Now again, the winter is traditionally a slower time for real estate, so it's not a huge surprise overall, but it is showing the market getting back to a more normal cycle versus those COVID years. The median days on market shot up by 193% since January to 44 days on the market. Those numbers again sound crazy, but now we're getting into a normal housing cycle. We're seeing days on market increase. Again, it's a normal range, so it's shocking compared to the crazy housing world we've been living in, but it's not a huge number historically. But with this market changing and the unknowns of interest rates, inflation, UFOs, and all the other things in this world that have become normal, it's more important than ever to have a real estate expert guide you through your housing choices. Whether it's buying or selling, you're gonna start seeing a lot of desperation out there in the real estate world, and it may be very tempting to take the agent that's offering you a discounted rate and their firstborn. But buying a home is a huge investment and one of the biggest sales you're gonna make in your life. I want you to go through that with someone that you can trust, that knows the market, knows how to negotiate on your behalf, and helps you make a sound investment. You get what you pay for in the real estate world, so it's better to do it with someone that knows what they're gonna do. Just some food for thought for you. But those are the stats for this month. If you're looking to buy or sell in the next 12 months, give me a call and we can talk about getting you the highest return on your home or the best deal for a home when that time comes. I hope you guys are doing great, and I'll see you next month.